This 2017 Keystone Carbon 33 triple slide, rear 10 feet cargo area is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 35 feet 5 inches in length and features a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleep 7, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, external shower, TV, slideout, and 106 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Keystone Carbon 33 triple slide, rear 10 feet cargo area is 8,880 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.